That's one big fucking beam, dude. Look at that shit.
Yeah, that's what I was telling the guy. You know, that's a big, huge.
Fuck, that's big.
He said, no, that's not too big. That's bigger than that one.
That thing is freaking huge.